Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see Spotify Wrapped 2023. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the application looks like once you open it. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find Home, Search, Your Library, and lastly, Premium. Go ahead and click on the home section. And then right here in the top, you're going to find all music, podcasts, and in the top right, you're going to find Wrapped. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here in this page. So here you're going to find your Wrapped, your top songs, 2023 in music, merch for you, live events, and create a blend. So I'm gonna show you guys, for example, your wrapped. Once you click here, you're gonna find your wrapped in the form of stories. So right here, you're gonna find stories with the music that you listen to the most. So I'm gonna show you guys an example for on another section. For example, I'm gonna go to your top songs, click on it, and then right here, you're gonna find the list that includes the songs that you listen to the most and also the playlists that you listen to. You can also go to create a blend. So you can invite a friend to blend. Invite up to 10 friends to a blend. A shared playlist that gives you social recommendations based on all of your music tastes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.